Have a 2017 F-150 SuperCab here. The rear window was broke out in the rear side door. Anyway, so I got all the debris cleaned out. I got the door panel off, as you can see. I think there's other videos that show how to remove it, but I kind of figured it out as I went along. Peeled the plastic covering off of here, reached in and made a vacuum attachment to get down and way down in here to suck all the broken glass debris out. Then I removed the rubber from around here. Just pulls right out, no tools needed. You have to remove this trim piece. So there's a series of 4 screws that go in here. Take them out. And I carefully pried it out and it snapped out. But then these clips separated from these pieces. Here I'll attach one of these clips. And there it is. Yeah. So I ended up using the plastic trim remover, pressed in on one side, and I pressed in on the other side with this flat blade screwdriver. So at the same time, both fingers were depressed, and it popped out really easily. Otherwise, you just get it lined up. You can hear that click, so that tells you that it's popped in place. So I have to go back, rubber gasket, little rubber gasket. This one's ripped now, but it'll either stay attached to the door frame or else it'll pop off and you have to reinsert it. Big deal. So I have all the retaining clips put back in place. A rubber gasket for this clip, it's still attached to the door. This is actually double-faced tape. I don't feel any adhesive, but I really don't think I need to worry about it, being there's 4 screws along here that hold it, so I won't worry about that. So this should just click into place, hopefully. So anyway, with this panel off, the glass comes in from the outside. It goes in rather easily. So get the bottom down into place, get lined up, and hopefully it clicks into place. I'll shut the door. I think it's on. So with the window all the way down, I go back and I try to reinstall this rubber gasket. So I had to come to the outside of the door, push in. This kind of clips underneath this trim panel, so you have to do a little pushing with the pry bar to weave it in there. Come back and push this up. I think it's in there now. There. Before you clip the panel into place, be sure to put this piece of weather stripping back in place, because I forgot to do that. There. One last thing to install and then I'm done. There. Window is in, and all the trim pieces are back up. Mission accomplished.